We've all heard of the IKEA effect. That tendency to overvalue things we've put effort into building, like those infamous Swedish furniture pieces. But what if the struggle to assemble becomes the story itself? New research suggests the IKEA effect might have a twist. Let's imagine two scenarios. In one, you spend a relaxing afternoon putting together a beautiful bookshelf. In the other, you wrestle with confusing instructions, faulty parts, and end up with a wobbly mess. In both cases, you've built the same shelf, but your feelings towards them will likely differ. The key takeaway: the IKEA effect thrives on a sense of accomplishment, not just effort. If the assembly process is overly frustrating, it can backfire. We might end up associating the finished product with negative emotions, diminishing its perceived value. So, how can we leverage the IKEA effect in a positive way? Here are some tips. Choose projects that match your skill level. Don't set yourself up for frustration by tackling something overly complex. Focus on the enjoyment of the process. Make it a fun activity, perhaps with friends or family. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge your progress along the way, not just the final product. By ensuring the assembly process is a positive experience, we can truly harness the power of the IKEA effect. We'll not only end up with something we value, but also with a positive memory of the creation process itself. So, the next time you embark on a DIY project, remember, a little sweat can be good, but frustration is the enemy of appreciation.